Number 13. Regarding the chamber pot designated for excrement. So I apologize for this topic, but that's what I came up. Okay. Chamber pot for excrement, 52. This equally applies to bedpans. Chamber pot. I'm not sure what is the difference between chamber pot and bedpans, but okay. Or urinal. The law is as follows. If they made of earthenware or wood, they have halakhic status of the outhouse, even if they are clean and emit no odor. So basically, it's very important what they are made of, and Beezrat HaShem, we're going to learn this how it's applied in the laws of kashering of utensils. All right. So because they're very porous, and they would absorb the taste, the smell. So in case of the cooking utensil, they would absorb the taste, and in this case they would absorb the smell. So it doesn't matter how you clean it, you cannot clean it completely because the smell is inside. And if it's made of earthenware or what is it, wood. Okay. Furthermore, even if one put water inside them to turn them over so that they rest on their openings, it does not affect the change of this halacha. So basically, the whole pot become this outhouse. Even if one put them under the bed, it does not affect the change in the halacha, because the construction of our beds is such they do not constitute halakhic barrier. Okay, both inside and out. Rather, one must remove them from the room or cover it. So if you have so the same would apply to the most of the plastic things. So basically, you have to remove. If you have small child, you have to remove it from the room, or you go to another room, whatever you prefer. If they were made out of metal or glass, and metal or glass they do not absorb, right? Then if they are washed well and do not emit foul odor, one need not distance himself from them. Okay. So since it's possible inside and out, right? So wash them inside and out. So basically, he does not have to distance himself because, as we said, they do not absorb. A mouth of a swine. Just 1 second. What is the connection? Since its nature to borrow into excrement, has the halakhic status of the chamber pot. Even if it just emerged from the river. The wash in the river does not help to remove this status. So basically, as we know, the pigs that eat everything. So the mouth is like this chamber pot, right? So I think they go number 2 and then eat it also. I think they eat their babies and stuff like that. So okay, so even if it just came from the river, still the same status.